Good morning, everyone. We are now on our lesson 7 of quarter 4, and the title of our lesson is Count the number of occurrences of an outcome in an experiment. This is still under probability, and we are to count how many of the possible outcomes. Pila kabilog ang magwa nga outcomes ang aton nga experiment. Okay, so we have many ways in counting the possible outcomes of our experiment. There are 4. Okay, we have using a table, tree diagram, systematic listing, and the last, the fundamental counting principle, the easiest of them all. But first, we have to understand first the situation of our problem, and then we will use each one of them. Okay, isa-isahon ko para kapili ka mo, or pwede man apat gid. Okay, first is the using the table or tabular form. It is a figure that shows the first row and first column in each event. When we say table, it is composed of rows and columns to list all of the possible outcomes. When it comes to the tree diagram, parang kahoy ni siya, no? It branches out. This is a device consisting of line segments emanating from a starting point and from the outcome point. It is used to determine all possible outcomes of the probability of an experiment. Okay, also we have the systematic listing. From the word itself, malista ka lang gidya. The organized or systematic way of listing the outcomes of an event. Isa-isahon mo lista. And the last is the fundamental counting principle, which is the easiest of them all. It states that we can find the total number of ways different events can occur by multiplying the number of ways each event can happen. So, ma-multiply ka lang gid. Ang importante is, you know the problem. Okay, let's start. Let's have one example for table. Okay. Example, you toss 2 coins. Okay, tabular form. So, you make a column for the first toss. Okay. Isa ni sa ka-column. Okay, column ni panawag, rows na panawag. So, sa first toss mo, nag-una siya row, no? So, sa first toss mo, ang pwede nga magwa sa first toss is the head or the tail. Kaya sama lang ang coin, may posible nga duwa ka magwa. Isa ka head, isa ka tail. So, sa una mo na nga coin. Ikaduwa naman nga coin, diri naman. And sa ikaduwa mo nga coin, there are 2 possible ways or 2 possible outcomes. May isa ka head, isa ka tail, or pwede man i-interchange mo. Again, first toss mo, first coin mo, anong pwede magwa? Head, kag tail. Isa ka head, isa ka tail. Sa second coin mo, mag-toss ka, anong pwede magwa? It's a head or a tail. Okay? So, sa first toss mo, head. So, you copy H. Okay? And then, ang intersection niya nga row, head man. So, from head, kag head. So, the intersection is the cell, the intersection of your column and your row. So, isa ka head, isa man ka head. We will use this big letters H para head. That's why get enclosure sa parentheses. So, okay, this is what will happen. So, isa ka head. There. Tapos, copy man, isa man ka head. From here, ma-head ka man dayon. Okay. There. So, where did you get isang first H? Ara sa babaw. Halin sa babaw, isa ka H. Tapos, isa man ka head. There. Next naman. So, tail, T, copy T, and then from here naman head. Okay. There, halin. Ay, dili tanay, dili. Okay. So, halin sa head, dili sa dalom. Pakadto sa dalom. Tail. Isa ka head, and then, ang intersection nga row is tail. Okay. We have HT. Next naman. Tail, head. So, bale, ang answer mo de is from your first coin, tapos second coin. TH. T, then H. You got T and you got H. So, the last, kabalo na ka muna, we have tail and tail. So, dua ka. Tail. Okay, there you have it. So, all the possible outcomes of tossing 2 coins, matos ka 2 ka coins, is HH or head, tail, head, or TH, head, tail, HT, kag tail, duwa ka T. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, apat ka possible outcomes. There. So, the total possible outcomes using the table when we toss 2 coins is 4 possible outcomes. What are those possible outcomes? You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, second situation. There. One Saturday morning, Joy washed most of her clothes. She has 2 pants. May 2 siya kadlargo and 3 shirts left in her cabinet. So, okay. In how many different ways can she dress? Count the number of occurrences of an outcome in an experiment using table, tree diagram, systematic listing, and fundamental counting principle. So, we will use first the table. The data given was that si Joy nagpanglaban napanglabahan niya ni Ibayo. Nabili na lang siya cabinet is 2 pants, 2 ka de largo, kag 3 ka shirts. So, i-combine ta na how many are the possible outcomes or nga makabayo si Joy. Okay? So, first, shirts, anay. Tanan nga shirts, label mo, tapos isa-isahon mo sa imo nga first row. Shirts, shirt 1, shirt 2, shirt 3. And then, sa first column, we have your pants. Pants 1, pants 2. So, ang intersection day is shirt 1, kag pants 1. Ara. Where did I get S1 from your column 2? And then, your pants 1 is your row 2. S1, pants 1. Okay, see that? And then, shirt 1, pants 2. Intersection nila. Shirt 1, pants 2. Shirt 2, pants 1. Shirt 2, pants 2. Okay, so each of them are intersections of your column and row. Shirt 3, pants 1. Shirt 3, pants 2. Okay, so, isipon mo da yun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there are 6 possible outcomes, possible ways si Joy makabayo. Okay, what are those 6 possible outcomes? Here it is. S1, P1, S1, P2, S2, P2, S2, P2, S2, P1, S3, P1, S3, P2. There. Masapos table, no? Again, lista mo siya. Unang variable. First mo na i-label mo. Then, second variable, padalom naman. And then, combination na lang nila. Just like that. Head, tail, tapos combination. Okay. Next, let's proceed to our second one, the tree diagram. As I've said, this is like a tree branching out. Okay. Ang aton nga topic there is 2 coins man gyapon. So, sa first toss mo, ano ang pwede nga magwa? Anong pwede nga magwa? Sa first toss of a coin mo, diba? Head, kag, tail. So, you put there, okay, head, kag, tail. Sa second toss mo, ano ang pwede magwa? Out of the second toss, nga pwede mo ipares, no? Okay, head, kag, tail, pwede magwa. Right? Sa first toss mo, pwede head, kag, tail. Okay. Sa second toss mo, pwede head, kag, tail. Tapos, ipares mo naman dayon, head, kag, tail. There. So, copy mo na dayon. These arrows are the relationships na pwede mo ipares. Head, kag head, copy. H, H. Amo nang outcome niya. H, H. Pares mo si H kag si tail. Head kag tail. Next naman, tail kag kay head. Tail, tail. So, still, magamit ka man to sa una mga way, table man or tree diagram, kada go branching out sa balahaw. The outcomes are still the same. The number is still the same. 4 possible outcomes. Again, first toss, head kag tail ang pwede magwa. Sa second tail mo, nga ipares mo sa head, di ba pwede head kag tail? Sa tail mo, pwede man head kag tail man. Then, pair mo na siya. Next, sa situation naman ni Joy kagina, she has 2 pants and 3 shirts. So, sa first mo, ged, pants ilista mo sa dalom. Pila gani ka pants? We have 2 pants. So, we have there, pants 1, pants 2. Sa shirts, ang pants 1, pwede mo mapares sa pila ka shirts? 3. So, dapat may 3 manada ka branch. We have there nan. Shirt 1, shirt 2, shirt 3. Tapos, ang pares mo liwat sa pants 2, pwede nga shirts 1, 2, and 3 liwat. Then, i-pair mo si pants 1 to shirt 1, pants 1 to shirt 2, pants 1 to pants 2. Pants 1 to shirt 2, pants 1 to shirt 3. Okay? So, muna siyang outcome, it will become like this. There. Pants 1, shirt 1, pants 1, shirt 2, pants 1, shirt 3. Na, kay tatlo ka pililian sa shirts. Sa pants 2 naman, pants 2 kag shirt 1, pants 2 kag shirt 2, pants 2 kag shirt 3. That will be your outcomes. Nan. So, count mo ang outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You have there 6 outcomes. What are those possible outcomes, Sarah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Easy din ang tree diagram. Next, we have the systematic listing. Inilistahon mo lang sa class. Okay, so sa tossing sang 2 coins, anong pwede magwa? Pwede 2 ka head. Imo na sa pag gusto ka kung i-experiment mo na or ano mo na siya, haum-haumon mo lang. You would imagine it or experiment on it. Pwede 2 ka tail. Pwede nga una ang head, tapos tail, pwede ang tail, head. Lista lang gid. Medyo matalang-talang ka pa ni, pero mas namigid kung magamit ka table or tree diagram para may lista ka. So, 4 outcomes sa gihapon. Ang kay Joy naman to yung kagina, she has 2 pants and 3 shirts. So, si pants 1, ilista mo naman lang liwat. Si pants 1, ilista ko. Okay? So, I suggest mauna ka sa table or tree diagram kung magamit ka sa systematic listing, ulihin na lang na. Okay? 6 possible outcomes. Okay. This is the easiest. The fundamental counting principle. You just count the variables. Okay? Sa tossing sang 2 coins, pila ka coins ang itos mo 2. Sa una mo nga coin, what are the possible outcomes? Okay? Sa first 2 toss mo, may 2 ka possible outcomes. That's the head or the tail. Sa second toss mo, may 2 ka man ka possible outcomes. That's the head and the tail. So, multiply lang. 2 times 2, 4 ang answer. What are those? So, amo na itong ilista. Takagina, 2 ka tail, 2 ka heads, 1 ka tail, 1 ka head, 1 ka head, 1 ka tail. Those are the possible outcomes. Ang kay Joy naman niya, she has 2 pants, 3 shirts. Multiply mo lang. 2 pants times 3 shirts. That's 6 possible outcomes. So, kung ako sa 4 ngaging pilian naton, namigid kong tanan kwaon mo. I mean, tanan, itry mo anay, table, tree diagram, systematic listing, and fundamental counting principle. Try mo kung tsakto imo answer. But, kung gadali ka, use the fundamental counting principle. Just understand the problem. Okay? So, you are to answer this. Read and understand the situation. Tanan ha, in how many different ways can she have her snacks? Use table, tree diagram, systematic listing, fundamental counting principle. Just repeat watching this video so that you'll understand on how to do the 4 ways to count the occurrences of an outcome in an experiment. Thank you so much for watching.